In a world driven by mobile technology, the demand for cross-platform app is skyrocketing. Flutter, a revolutionary framework which unlocks the secret to building stunning, responsive, and apps that work seamlessly across multiple platforms, even better than other cross-platform apps. But what makes Flutter so special? Join us on this journey as we uncover the secret behind this powerful framework, exploring the inner workings and techniques that developers employ to create cross-platform magic. Flutter was developed by Google in 2013. The framework was originally designed to create animations for Google Material Design System, but it was released as an open source project, also known as Open Source Framework, in 2017. And ever since then, the future of Flutter has been bright. Flutter's secret weapons lies in its ability to create visually stunning interfaces using its own rendering engine. The framework enables developers to build beautiful UIs that not only look amazing but also offer smooth and responsive user experience on different devices. To truly understand the power of Flutter, let's explore real-world examples of apps built with this framework, from social networking platform to banking apps to e-commerce platforms and AI projects, and even data-intensive applications. Flutter has proven itself in diverse industries, unleashing the potential for innovation and creativity across the world. But Flutter isn't just about the technology, it's also about the vibrant community that surrounds it. With a vast ecosystem of packages, libraries, and resources, developers have access to a wealth of tools and support to enhance their Flutter journey. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting out, the Flutter community offers extensive documentation, online forums, and learning resources to help you master the framework. The community collaborative spirit and shared knowledge create an ecosystem that fosters growth and empowers developers to create remarkable apps that other cross-platform apps can't create for you. In terms of app size, pixel designs, native apps comparison, other cross-platform apps can give you. Thanks for watching my little documentary video on Flutter. I hope it helps you get to know Flutter much better. I have included a lot of freebies and useful links alongside my social links in the description box below. Kindly check them out, as you will find them useful and helpful in your everyday journey through life. And if you're looking forward to learn Flutter, kindly check the description for the best tutorials for Flutter, either on Udemy or on YouTube. That's if you're looking for a paid and a free resources. It's your boy once again, Samuel Odukoya, also known as TechAdult. See you in the next video. Peace out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, to support your boy. And yes, check the description box again. There are a lot of useful links for you. Bye for now.